Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I wear a lot of skirts, and let me tell you, the worst thing is when your skirt sticks to your legs when you're wearing tights. I want to show you a way to beat that problem with this slip. This is from Vanity Fair, and this is an 18-inch double slit half slip, so it is just the skirt part. And I absolutely love this. I've had this for several years, and it is a total lifesaver for so many occasions. I wear a lot of skirts and sometimes they are see-through and you want to definitely prevent that from happening. Or when you're wearing tights or nylons and your skirt is sticking to your legs, it is so uncomfortable. So this is the total solution to that problem. This is a super silky, really comfortable, nice slip material that allows your skirt to move freely, and it also makes sure that nothing is see-through. So this slip has never let me down. I absolutely love it. It washes super well. It still looks really new, and like I said, I've had it for a long time. Elastic is holding strong and it's just really comfy. So if you're in need of a half slip, definitely check out this one from Vanity Fair. That's my point of view.